Right, back from our week off, and here's our project we're going to be on today, for the next 2 weeks, sorry. So we're just going to start by ripping this all up and laying some limestone. Acco drainage in there, a couple of recess drains. Yeah. Nice. Should look awesome.
Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Mama, please don't worry about me. I'm about to let my heart speak. My friends keep telling me to leave this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this. We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Give you one more night to get this.
Right then, we're back. We have, well, yeah, we've had a nice rainy day. But yeah, we have dug, well, pretty much cracked on, started digging the area out with the digger. And yeah, so just digging the area out, 220 millimeters below the finished level of the patio. Still got to take out some slabs here. The builder we're working for is redoing this drain because it's apparently cracked somewhere in the centre. Couldn't find the crack, but yes, so today we've basically been digging the entire area out and then digging the channel out for the new drainage to go in. Yeah. We're getting there. It's been a wet day though, crappy wet day. Yes, very nice big bay windows to work the digger next to. Hence why we've got the boards down here. And cables, oh, pain in the bum. Found a few things in here, so how do you guys get on with digging out for pipes and pipe works? Do you ever hit gas main, water main, electrics? I've hit gas main and water a couple of times, so, well, water a few times and gas once. But yeah, we're getting there. Different job tomorrow, and then back on Thursday.
We've had a million nights just like this. So let's get down to business. Back and forth,